How is it going, my YouTubers? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House, with another product review of something that we have been using for several months now. Check this out. Yes, that is an actual computer monitor that is about as wide as my desk. This is a Samsung 49-inch wide curved monitor. As you can see, it is curved, it is extreme, and it is fantastic. So let's take a closer look at it. All right, let's take a closer look at this alleged behemoth. Like I said, this is 49 inches wide. But I was one to use a 2-monitor setup before. And you know, when you got 2 separate monitors, you got the gap between the 2 monitors, even though you can do stuff back and forth, you know, with modern versions of Windows. Oh, I was skeptical because this thing was expensive. Fortunately, the price has come down significantly. I noticed on the Samsung website. But when I got it, it was probably $1,300 plus. I think now it's down to about $900, which is a total steal, in my opinion. So let's just take a look at some things here. Look at how much space you have, all right? Here's one group of windows. Let's do another group. That can be whatever. Let's do yet another group. That can be whatever. The cool thing is that you have so much space to move, to keep stuff separated. You know, maybe you've got a Microsoft Word document going on. You know, maybe you got a PowerPoint presentation. You know, maybe you need to keep stuff separated so it doesn't get all crowded and overlapped, and you got a little chat window going on wherever you want it to. You know, maybe you have different things. Maybe you're doing a Adobe Premiere little video action on one side, and you just want plenty of room to work with everything. Otherwise, windows start getting all overlapped over each other. You can't find something. They just get lost, you know, or you just don't have a comfortable workspace. That is the benefit of something like this. And it's fantastic. That's all I can say. There's no way I can ever go back to a multi-monitor setup. No way. I will never. I don't care. I'm not going back to the old way, and I did that for, gosh, 5 or more years. I had a multi-monitor setup. I thought it was fine. But then I saw this at my local micro center. I'll put a link to that too down there. And you know, I looked at the price and I was saying, oh, okay, this is expensive. But I also got a brand new, really powerful computer because we're doing a lot more video action. And you know, I took the plunge, like they say, bit the bullet and went for it. And I am so glad I did. Oh my goodness. You just won't believe it, you know? Let me pull up here some stuff. Samsung, it's 49-inch curved monitor. It's their, as of when I got it, it was their top of the line, of course. Let's pull up some stuff here. It was the top of the line by Samsung, and I'm sure by the time this video goes up, this thing will be considered ancient, you know, in media times. Yeah, you can get it on Amazon. Let's move this guy over here. You know, look how easily I can just get stuff out of the way. So if you can see, you know, it has an awesome stand. This stand right here is fantastic because you can raise the whole monitor up. Excuse my little dirt biker here. You can raise it up, lower it down on the fly. Fantastic. You know, all you gotta do is just move it. You can also pivot it in different directions. You know, it can pivot this way, up, down. I mean, dude, that alone is fantastic. In the back, it has an awesome little hook for headphones or whatever, maybe a cord or whatever. This little hook stays right down there. I mean, shoot. It has multiple inputs in the back of it. I don't know if I have video of that, but I mean, you can look it up and I'll put links to it. There you go. Multiple inputs on the back. Every standard input you would want. I mean, wow. Totally worth it. It's that simple. It's a 5120 by 1440 resolution, 120 Hertz. This thing is no joke. And it's called a super ultra wide dual QHD curved gaming monitor. It's the equivalent of dual 27-inch QHD displays side by side. But the issue is there's no line down the middle like with two monitors. So man, once you jump into this realm of monitors, you will never go back to the old way. There's no way. I mean, if you want to say it's too big, you get used to it. I mean, this is a pretty wide desk. Excuse the mess. So it is kind of large, and it is heavy also, so make sure you have some help when you set it up. You know, it's no little teensy lightweight piece of crap. This thing is high end, it is durable, it is heavy duty. The box is huge that it comes in. Just be careful when you are loading it, unloading it, you know, setting it up, all that. Just make sure you be careful, because it can be fragile. You know, it can be. The lens on it is kind of fragile. But shoot, go for it, man. Totally go for it. You will thank me later. Anyway, that is it. The Samsung 49-inch CRG9 Curved Gaming Monitor. Lc49hg is the beginning of the part number. I'll put a link below to it though. Whew, fantastic. And I use the crap out of it. And that is it. So check out other videos. We got all kinds of good stuff that may help you. We do sometimes computer related reviews. We work on motorcycle stuff, ATVs, side-by-sides, cars, trucks, lawnmowers, anything with a motor. We try to do videos that'll help you, or how to maintain or fix them and whatnot. And sometimes some fancy entertainment, you know, just meaningless stuff. So check it out. Once again, this is Biker Dave, Horsepower House. Google us online. You will find us anywhere you want to find us. And that is it. Y'all have a great day. See ya.